Hello, and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is, what do people first notice about you, your beauty or your personality? For that, as usual, we have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Now, let's get started. You could also join my channel. Hello, pile one. Let's see, what do people at first notice about you, your beauty or your personality? All right, let's start with the dice. Okay, strength, fortitude. Wow, Capricorn both ways. Capricorn. Okay, I could just do it another time. It just came out. Okay. Taurus, happy, smiling. You have a very happy personality. Virgo. So what I'm getting is Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, strong fortitude and happy disposition. So I'm seeing typically people tend to notice your strong persona straight, like right out of the bat, right, like moment they see you, first thing they notice is your very strong strength of character. I'm saying, right, a lot of Capricornian energy. Even if you are a female, you tend to embody a lot of masculine energy. A lot of you could be very athletic, very serious type. You have a lot of sense of responsibility, very conformist, very rigid. This is what people notice, by the way. Insecure but very confident. You have worked very hard to reach where you have. So you have confidence issues, but you tend to work very hard to make up for that. Regal, very royal, regal, humorous, sense of humor is very strong. Sarcastic, cautious, you're very cautious, very pragmatic, extremely realistic. Realistic is one thing, moralistic also. You are like very moral, high ethical and moral values, very materialistic, very a lot of you guys are very materialistic. Material gains significantly is important for a lot of you. Very ambitious. You are very, like, very earthy. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, very earthy. Attraction towards wealth, attraction towards fine living, fine stuff, like fine. You have very good taste, like the outfits that you wear, they tend to have very good quality fabric. Your bed sheets tend to have good quality fabric. So very ambitious, very determined. Ultimate worker bee. You are like, you're very busy person, people, very busy people. Especially initial phases, you are busy climbing the ladder of success. Clever, very, very clever and tenacious. All right. A lot of you could be professor. Straight away, I'm getting professor, serious, very sharp, masculine. A lot of you have a sharp or a little curved nose. I'm hearing critical thinker, very realistic, absolutely. So I'm seeing a very strong persona. A lot of you have very, like, that is the first thing, very, like, overbearing in a way, very tall persona, which a lot of you could also be very tall in general, even if you are a female. Lean, athletic, tall built, a little on the darker side skin tone, warmer side skin tone, based on your ethnicity. Mostly probably shorter hair, like hair is, your hairstyle is something which tend to suit your work. Like, you could be, like, you are a workaholic, you tend to work. So for you, your long fashionable hairstyle is, like, it's very problematic. You are a problem solver. A lot of you are very masculine, tall, slim, competitive, athletic, very competitive. A lot of you are very calm on the surface, but on the inside, you're very, very competitive. Realistic, very capable, very, very capable, cynical, logical, very methodical. A lot of you could be Capricorn, Taurus, absolutely sharp nose, sharp jaw lines, thick eyebrows. Even for females, I'm getting thicker eyebrows, thick eyelashes, beautiful eyes, like hair, eyes, they are very like prominent, darker color hair, darker color eyes and eyebrows, angular jaws. A lot of you could be having forehead 11s from a pretty early age, long neck, because you are a thinker, you're always thinking too much. So a professional, and you are usually dressed in formals, mostly not casuals, because you're always ready for, like, you believe in staying ready for whatever comes your way. You're a very strong Jupiterian person, very charming, strong Jupiterian. A lot of you could be Virgos. Wisdom, great advisor. You are a very wise person. A lot of you could be having dark, like black hair, but blue eyes also, with a warm skin tone complexion. So that makes you stand out. Beautiful white teeth, beautiful smile. People respect you once they get to know you because you tend to give solid practical advice. Yeah, minimalistic style, like a pair of solitaire studs and you're done. Like, you have class, very classy. Doesn't have to be graceful, very minimalistic yet classy. That one solitaire is very pricey. That shows like you have money. You don't have to wear 10 different pieces for that. Very naturally pretty or naturally gorgeous, very secure in your own skin. You are not a very strongly makeup person. You are very comfortable in your own skin. That's the, like, a very overbearing persona I'm hearing. Legacy creator. People, you tend to intimidate a lot of people. You value yourself. People tend to fantasize about you. They think of you as someone who is way out of their league. In, you are also very much, you are a very strong, you have a very strong, either you are a masculine person, like a male, very masculine presence. If you are a female, very strong feminine presence. Okay, I'm worthy of investing in my own self. You are a person who genuinely have invested in their own selves. You have pulled yourself to this level. You have walked your way up to this level. All right, guys, up until now, if this sits with you, if the reading sits with you, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe, share. You could also join my channel. I look forward to tomorrow and the opportunities that await me. Literally, you are a person who tend to look forward to all the opportunities that are awaiting you. Someone, you are somebody who tend to look forward to everything that awaits you. You are being seen also as someone who is a little on the opportunistic side, right? I'm growing and I'm going at my own pace. Literally, you are somebody who is going and growing at their own place. You are also very set in your ways, very Taurian. You know how to stand your ground and make a statement of your own. I leave room in my life for spontaneity. You're also, a lot of you could be into sports, athletics, very spontaneous, very, a lot of you, this spontaneity is your second nature for a lot of you. Right. I will allow myself to evolve. You guys have evolved in life. That is something I can see. Evolution is the key. I'm grateful for the abundance of opportunities in my life. You are a person who is abundant in nature. Drive your dreams. All right, a lot of you are very, very, you have always been very ambitious, and you have really, you not only like saw your dreams, you also fulfilled. You had the capability, you have that capability. That is the personality. That is the, I mean, this is what people see in you, that integrity, that grit in your your jaw angle. It shows that grit, somebody who is gritty, guiding compass. You tend to be very good advisors and teachers. Face your fears. You are somebody who has faced, who is not afraid to face their fears. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Literally, you are a person who is comfortable in making your own self uncomfortable while doing the job. Dare to be different. You are a person who is like pretty different from most of the people around you. You are your home. You're very comfortable in your own skin. It's all gonna be okay. You're also, You have a very optimistic persona, somebody who doesn't give up easily. Just believe in your dreams. You are a person who always believed that they could, and they have done it. 365 days, 365 ways. Everything happens for a reason. You are a person who has, like, you have a lot of things going in your favor, and you genuinely believe that has happened because it was meant to happen. Work hard, dream big. I'm seeing you as a person who has really worked very, very hard to reach where they have today. Let your dreams be your wings. Literally, you are a person who has got a lot of dreams, and you have let, they have let you, your life has let you unfurl your dreams to make things bigger and better for yourself. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. Literally, you are a person, you genuinely believe in treasuring every moment, because tomorrow it will be history, right? Tomorrow you do not know what happens tomorrow. A reader lives I hope it's visible, lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. A lot of you are like voracious reader, I'm seeing. You do not chase, you attract. I hope it's visible, guys. You guys do not chase, you just attract. Just be yourself. You are a person who tend to stand out in the crowd very effortlessly. People notice you because of your personality. Don't let the heart day win. Literally, you are somebody who do not let like one bad thing win over them altogether. Do what makes you happy. You are a person who has a very happy disposition about them. You are a person who knows where their priorities lie. Never stop believing. You are a person who not only dreamt, you also believed in your own self. You believed in your dreams, in your abilities. You have a lot of belief. Like, people might actually call you a little overconfident. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Literally, you are a person, people literally see you as a very fiercely ambitious person. That's the first thing. Very gritty, somebody which who has a lot of integrity, gritty, someone who is very determined, like a mountain goat, someone who is very methodical. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of like big time in like your personality, which makes you shine brightly, which shines brightly anyways. Queen of Swords, you are a person who can see right through people's manipulation. Don't you dare lower your voice for anyone. You guys are not even willing to lower your voice for others. Five of Pentacles, you are a person who is very, you have seen it all in life. A lot of you climb this ladder of success where you have reached starting from a very humble background. Probably a lot of you are coming from a place where your parents were not even graduates. Some of you are actually coming from there, and you had bigger dreams for yourself. Nothing is ever as hopeless as it seems. Literally, you guys are, there was a time when you felt life was literally being hopeless, but that was really not the case. That's what I'm hearing. Chase your dreams, be ambitious. Knight of Swords. Literally, you are a person who, with their pragmatism, discipline, dedication, you genuinely believe in chasing your dreams. A lot of you could be actually into blogging and vlogging as well. Page of Pentacles. When life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. Literally, also, people notice that you are a person who is very good at turning your adversities into opportunities. You have a very strong head over your shoulder. You have a very calm persona, someone who knows how to transform the wills of destiny in their favor. Right. The Chariot. You will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Yes, you are a person who doesn't believe in standing still at one place. You believe in moving ahead in life. Number 13, I'm seeing a lot of transformation that has happened. Broom, tidy up your life so that you can make space for something better. Literally, you guys have literally leveled up in life. You guys have let go of a lot of people and lot of circumstances which were no longer serving you for better, and have moved on with your life. Knight of Wands. Sometimes you have to be willing to bend the rules a little. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person, you have bent the rules, and you are someone, you're being seen as someone who is willing to bend the rules a little in order to get what they want. Like buy, borrow, steal, but get it done. You have that mindset. Very, very ambitious mindset in general. You're known for your work ethic. Sorry, but fairies aren't gonna come and do all the work for you. You are a workaholic, someone who tend to work day and night at and can literally in order to achieve their dreams. The chipmunk and laurel, success. You know what, first thing people notice about you moment you enter the room is you, this is a successful persona, someone who was like, you were born to win. Literally, that's the first thing. Guardianship. A lot of people literally tend to look up to you. Even people who are older than you, they tend to look up to you for life lessons and suggestions. That's something. And people also think that you've gotten lucky in life, very lucky. You know, that luck came with a lot of hard work. Whenever I get this luck card in one form or the other, I immediately know that this person must have worked very, very hard, especially in the first 15, 20, 25 years of their life, especially. Ace of Wands. You guys have created your own destiny. You guys have created your own life with your own hard work. You know, this green shoots, a lot of you have got your own businesses. I hope, guys, it's visible. You guys have got your own businesses which you have created, and that is the cause of your success today. You are the architect of your own destiny. A lot of you are very good with your hands. It can be a dentist, a surgeon, a painter, a writer, a teacher, a doctor, a chef, someone who has a handmade business, something related to the hands. You use your hands a lot. That is something. You are literally the architect of your own destiny. You've crafted your own destiny. You're very courageous. You're not afraid to face the wrongs. You are not afraid to face the adversities in your life. You are a person. Hierophant is a teacher, a guardian, someone who is way wiser beyond their age. You are someone who is way wise beyond their age. Two of Wands, you are a person, I'm seeing like people notice you as somebody who is willing, like you know what you are standing for, you know how to stand your ground, you know how to fight for your own rights. Right, honeybee, you are the ultimate busy bee, very busy. People know, you know, you have a very towering persona. Straight out of the bat, I'm seeing like straight off the bat, you have a very towering persona. That's the first thing people notice. Take time to breathe out. Literally, people notice that this is a person who can literally just get up and start working and work till they go back to bed. Confidence is an issue that people talk about, and it came with a lot of practice. You know, you are somebody who have literally, you've practiced everything a lot in life to reach where you have. Slay them all. Literally, you are very confident and courageous who can slay any situation, any moment in life. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 2. Let's see, what do people first notice about you? Your beauty or your personality? Okay. Okay, all three are the. I hope it's visible, guys. Leo is the first astro sign. Second is your Scorpio. Okay. The third one is Aries. I hope it's visible, guys. The light has a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I'll do it another time. I'll I'll move the dices another time. Okay. Okay, so more and more astrological signs are coming out more than the characteristics. Right, Aquarius, a lot of you are like Aquarius, Gemini, Aries, Leo. So a lot of air and fire signs, a Scorpio, very mysterious, gorgeous, and creative. Okay, right. Now moving on to what do people actually notice the first time you enter the new room. Okay. A lot of you could be Virgos, Pisces, Aries, Cancer. Something very unusual about your hair, a red head, or some unusual color to your hair. And the hair and eyes, I'm seeing big, large eyes. Having like blonde hair and black eyes, that kind of a combination. Red hair, black eyes. Something, big bold eyes, your angular face, sharp nose, very cerebral, very poised, very idealistic. A lot of Piscean characters, Cancerian, even Scorpio, beautiful eyes, enigmatic, magnetic eyes. Attention for details, Virgo, voluptuous, very well endowed, and likable, very smart. A lot of you are mystery story lovers, very smart, very likable, confident, affable, not in your face confidence, but someone who knows who they are. I hope it's visible. It's okay. I'm just trying to focus things a little. Okay. Right. You're gorgeous. A lot of you are being seen as straight away model types. You could be a model, very good height and body type. Like you straight away, your looks are very like cookie cutter good looks for a lot of you. Very mysterious, Scorpio, fashionista, diva. You have a lot of admirers, very charming. A lot of you have long blonde hair or long black hair, like gorgeous, like Barbie type, Cinderella type looks, like very, very conventionally good looking, cookie cutter good looks, long blonde hair, blue eyes or green eyes, stylish. You are a fashionista. You are very, very like a style icon. People tend to follow you. Like moment you are a head turner. Very effortlessly you tend to turn heads. But at the same time, that's the first thing. But moment they get to know you, they realize that you are a deep thinker as well. That's what I'm getting. Chiseled, athletic, very handsome Capricorn. So if you are a male, especially, you are more conventionally very masculine. Yes, what people notice is if you are a male, conventionally masculine and gorgeous, like think of Leonardo DiCaprio, that kind of an example, like very conventionally handsome and masculine. But if you are a female, very conventionally, someone like Salma Hayek, that kind of a beauty I'm hearing mostly. I'm not saying one is good and another one is not good, but more like Salma Hayek. Like you enter the room, you're like very feminine, well endowed body, and that can mostly you probably don't have a very lean body, but you have a more on the hourglass kind of body, high vibrational, very spiritual, very compassionate. You're also, people notice how compassionate you are, a looker, like 11, 20 on 10 actually. But you're very compassionate, extremely empathetic, caring, giving, ethical. Your hugs are very warm, very uplifting presence. You are universally loved. Like people tend to love you a lot. That is something like, that dichotomy with good looks and no air of arrogance is something that people notice. Very welcoming. There is a lot of innocence about you. Pisces, Taurus, very non judgmental. You're very happy in your skin, in your space. Right. You are a person who has a lot of self believe in your own self. This is something that people notice, that very quietly self confident. You don't have to do a lot of things to be like confidence, to look confidence. You are confident. Guys, as of now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. You could also join my channel, because if you like and subscribe specially, that tells you YouTube algorithm that this is useful content. My body is beautiful in this moment and its current size. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you don't have exactly an athletic or an a total, you are a little on the curvier side mostly, or model type, but not the typical very thin, that one, that type of body. They have usually better endowed body, especially for a female. For a male, it's more on the musculature type, muscular type. When I speak my needs, I receive them abundantly. Literally, you are also being seen as a great manifester. You have literally created your own destiny. I alone hold the truth of who I am. You are a person who holds the truth of who you are. Sometimes the work is resting. You know what? You respect yourself. You know, you are not a typical workaholic who needs to climb all sorts of ladders in their lives. You do not overwork yourself to death. You are a person who is pretty chilled. That's what I'm hearing. I'm good and getting better. Literally, you are somebody who is just getting better. Forget the mistakes, remember the lesson. Literally, you are a person who has made mistakes, but you remember the lesson that you have learned from it. Start your morning with a smile. You are a person who has, like, I'm seeing you are somebody who has, like, who tend to start each and every day with this big smile, like this is next 24 hours I'm gonna achieve something greater and bigger. Just be your own unique beautiful self. You are a person, you're also a very, I'm seeing a lot of you are very unique people. Like, as I said, good looks with a caring kind heart, that's the dichotomy, that's the contrast that people notice about you. You have got zero air of arrogance, but you look very ethereal, very Disney princess like, very, very Disney princess vibes, very ethereal. If you're a woman, very girly, but at the same time very, yeah, a lot of like air and fire, very feisty, but also very like airy, like breezy kind of presence. But your presence is very appreciated. Go where you feel most alive. You are a person, you could be very much into meditation, doing like whole foods meditation, health wise, then not carrying plastics, into like plants and growing more plants and greenery. You could be one of those people who are into these things. Together with you is my favorite place to be. You are a person who is literally, I'm seeing you have a lot of admirers who just want to be with you. People also notice that you follow your heart. You're a very heart centric person. A lot of you are probably not very pragmatically practical, like cutthroat, real, and practical. You're a little ethereal. You're like a mermaid, a Disney princess type. Sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful too. You are a person who genuinely looks at the positive side. Like, you tend to look at the like positive things, side of things. The Hierophant tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. You are a very out of the box thinker, very non conformist, very a little exotic type. You tend to stand out looks wise also. Ethnically, looks wise, you could be a mixed person. So you have very exotic looks, very quirky, something very quirky, also very non traditional. You could be a teacher, but a very non traditional teacher, like teaching to differently abled kids, that kind of a teacher. The Sun card, give yourself permission to experience joy. You tend to experience a lot of joy, I'm seeing. You tend to literally give yourself the permission to experience joy. Literally, you enjoy life. I'm seeing that beautiful vision in a sunflower field. You literally wearing a dress like this or white, and you're enjoying yourself in a lily field, in a sunflower field. That kind, like a bright, charming, beautiful butterfly. You have that kind of vibes, like very, very butterfly-ish vibes you give up. That's what, like beautiful, something ethereal. That's what the first thing people notice. Page of Wands, just because you, a lot of you have beautiful, like first house Venus, Venus in Libra, Venus in Aquarius, a very good Venus placement, Taurus Venus. Just because you're passionate about it doesn't mean it will be effortless. You're also, what people don't realize is you're also a very hardworking person. You have reached where you have, because it's not like your life is not all about work. Unlike the first pile, you are a person who has a very balanced approach. Like, you have a life where you work hard, you also enjoy life, you enjoy the smaller things in life as well. The Emperor, being the authority of your own life, comes with a lot of responsibility. Literally, you are a very responsible person. You are somebody who is the authority of their own life. You are somebody who knows, like, a lot of you had to be on your own from a very early stage. So when people get to know you, they also see how responsible you are with your money. A lot of you, probably you're a very ethical person. Probably you only buy upcycled, recycled products. Those things, planting more greens, you know being a vegan. For some of you, those things are like pretty big. For most of you, I'm hearing. Page of Cups, let yourself be continually surprised by this thing called life. Yeah, you are one of those people who tend to look at life with this wide eyes of a toddler. Literally, you are that way towards life. Like, everything about you, about life, tend to, you know you tend to be surprised by it. Like, you are like, oh my god, this is also new. Like, you are like this person standing on the seashore collecting seashells and being like happy about it, like a 5-year old. You are that person. You tend to embrace, like, you tend to be very happy in the even apparently trivial things that happen in our life, which we adults mostly tend not to. Even, I'm seeing people tend to actually misjudge you as a little frivolous, a little immature, but that is so not the case. The Magician, you are very you are a person who is very optimistic. You are a person who is very like, Magician is, you are someone who is the alchemist. The magician has all the power. You have all the four elements of nature working with you. People literally think that your presence is very magical. At the same time, you are a manifestation king or queen. Yeah, you have a power and you use your power to help others. People realize that this is a person who is, you give a very royal, regal vibes. Very, you know very, like, as I said, like, your status is automatically different. You don't have to tell people where you're coming from. That kind of a scenario I'm seeing. And you use your power to save this little kitten. You save a lot of people. You have saved a lot of people. 9 of Wands, you're very, very desirable, extremely desirable. You literally hold the key to your destiny. That's what people notice, that this is a person. First, it's your confidence, your airy, breezy, and beautiful ways, your beauty, and then it's your confidence, it's your work ethic. You're a person who genuinely, he's appreciating what he has. Literally, you appreciate, you literally live your life with an attitude of gratitude. You literally are extremely grateful for what life has to offer. You are a very peaceful person. A lot of you probably talk about peace and kindness and empathy. You're known for being that way as well. Beautiful. You know, this butterfly card, this exactly shows who you are. The butterfly and snowdrop hope. You're also very optimistic, very hopeful. Even like when things are not going your way, even those people who are probably a little cynical, you tend to give them hopes. People who are, a lot of you could be like working with hospice patients, patients who are in their deathbed. I'm seeing for some of you, and those people who feel a little hopeless about their lives, you know, you give them hope, you give them that sense of strength. The trout and lily of the valley, literally purification. You are being seen as a very untainted princess, like untainted, pure person, a personality which is like untouched, untainted. If you know, you give off the vibes of that. Yeah, pristine, very graceful persistence. You know, you have persisted a lot also. You have your own, like most of us, you have your own life story of struggle, but you are so graceful. Yeah, you're very graceful. That's what people notice. Graceful. I hope I've made the thing clear. You're very protected. People also notice that this is a person who is very divinely blessed and divinely protected. There is something like divinity works through them. I'm seeing a lot of you are being told that. Wisdom, very wise. This is something very responsible, very wise, very ethical. You know, a lot of you speak a certain way, which is also something people notice. Take the your voice could be almost like music playing in the background. I take the time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially your family members. You are a person, you are somebody who is very compassionate. You are somebody, you are also very, like, you embrace your family members. Virgo can be significant. You are good enough. You are a very good person. The magical person that you are. You are a very magical person, very real, magical, ethereal person. Balance spirituality and practicality. Pisces can be significant for a lot of you. You're a very pragmatic and spiritual person, very devoted, very committed, very devoted person. All right, last one. Elk, stand tall and maintain your dignity. Yes, you're also very, you know, when it comes to your work, you're like a sage. Also, you're very dignified. And others treat you with a lot of respect. You tend to garner a lot of respect from others. Just the way in which you conduct yourself. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 3. Let's see, what do people first notice about you? Your beauty or your personality? Clearly, okay. Gregarious, high vibrational. All right. Libra. Okay, airy signs. So Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Okay, runner, biking, very physically athletic. You know, a lot of you guys could be exploring types. All right, another time around. Let's see. Okay, right. Bright explorer. Okay. Believe, become. Okay. So you are a firm believer in your own abilities. Okay, gregarious, high vibrational. So this is common. So you are a lot of you are very Gemini. It could be Geminis, like, you know, social butterfly, gregarious. That is the type. And people actually notice your high vibrational, exploring, someone who is not very, like, at the surface, you're not very serious about life. You tend to take things very lightly. Yeah, you are a very chilled and let back kind of a person. Somebody, you know, you believe in enjoying life. It could be exploration, it could be anything else, but you genuinely believe in, like, you experience life, you enjoy life. You are somebody, people notice your sense of humor, very goofy but smart, extroverted but very empathetic, very caring, but also very free spirited, very optimistic. Right. very loyal and dedicated as a friend. Especially you could be having like multiple partner situations, because a lot of you might have had, like, you could be having, like, this is what I'm seeing, like, you tend to get a lot of attention. So you tend to have a little bit of like flip flop there, so people might think of you as someone who is a commitment phobe, emotionally excitable. Please don't get triggered, it's what I'm getting from my channel messages, right? Okay. Adventurer, explorer, open to new experiences. A lot of you probably are like solo travelers. You would come across as someone who has got their lives together. Very much backpacking, hiking, solo traveling types. Fun loving, adventure sports, very ambitious. But you are one of those people who would love to build their company, but also love to explore the world as well. You could be a startup founder, a very disrupting founder, dynamic, very charming, very dynamic, which makes you have a lot of admirers and people. I'm seeing a lot of you cases. It's just that your other partners, they became a little bit insecure because of all the attention you were getting, and that led to you guys breaking up. Problem solvers, novelty of the situation, very new. You're very open minded, challenging, very independent. Enjoy the present moment. You push yourself out of the comfort zone. You're a risk taker, driven to help others. You are driven to help others and meet needs, right? Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn, Aquarius, introspective, reasoning skills are very strong, very objective thinker, very pragmatic people. Also, very free spirited, a lot of fool energy, like, not afraid to embrace the new and the unknown kind of a person. You're a great thinker. A lot of you guys are literally love to reside in the realm of ideas. What I'm seeing, a lot of people want to form alliances with you, allies with you. They want to be on your good books, in your good books rather, but they also think that you will probably not consider them as their equals. That's what I'm hearing. You're very practical, hardworking, very reliable. You, as a friend, you are better more than a lover. That's what people think at the first brush, by the way. Smart, erudite, very organized. A lot of you are researchers. You could be having some special interest, very stoic, perfectionist, nitpicky, very cautious, keen observational skills, naturally very elegant, very poised, kind, sharp, witty, critical thinker, analytical, very analytical. You know, you question the preformed assumptions and notions. You're also very focused about what you do. You're very strategic, very efficient at what you do, very productive, very determined. You, if you put your mind to something, you become extra driven. Other than that, you are usually pretty laid back, like, let's have just Netflix and chill type. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button. You could also join my channel. Now the channel, more channel messages. My life is not a race or a competition. You do not look at yourself as a competition. You are a very chilled kind of a chilled guy, chilled girl, someone who takes one day at a time. You do not suffer from the fear of losing out or missing out. I can be soft in my heart and firm in my boundaries. Literally, you are a person who is a softie at heart, but having firm boundaries. When I feel fear, I feel trust. Literally, you are somebody, you know what? You are someone who has got a lot of fear. You have that, but you have loads of self faith. You have belief in your own self. Though you do have self questioning nature, but you also have a lot of faith in your own abilities. I'm valued and helpful. You know what? I'm seeing your sense of self is very strong. That's what, like, People know that we can't make them sell themselves short. You will not take certain things which are beneath your dignity. You are a very dignified person, and you do not allow people to do whatever they want with you. I'm allowed to feel good. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person, you do not really care. You are someone who literally do not care what others would think about them. You just do your own stuff. I invite abundance and a generous heart. Literally, people think you are an abundant person, somebody having a lot of abundance around them, somebody having a generous heart. I breathe in trust, I exhale doubt. Literally, you are somebody who has a lot of faith in your own self, in your own belief. Nurturing dreams. Literally, you are a doer. Someone, if you dream about something, you put that in action. Guiding light. You are being seen as a motivational figure. I'm seeing the way in which you are the ultimate example of living your life on your own terms person, and people tend to get motivated seeing you. Love yourself. You are somebody who loves themselves a lot. Be a dreamer in an endless galaxy. Believe you are somebody who is a dreamer who believe in their own selves. Dream it, believe it, achieve it. Literally, you are a person who believes that if you have dreamt it, you can hold it in your hands as well. Keep pushing. You know what? You are either very laid back, or someone, if you have, when you have a target in your sight, you are the hardest working person. Other than that, you are pretty laid back and chilled. So that's the dichotomy in your characteristics that people tend to find a little like confused about. You live your life on your own terms. Very colorful, dynamic, flamboyant persona. Keep going on and on. You never switch off. You have infectious energy. I'm seeing infectious energy climbing mountains. It's grinding zone. Yeah, when you are in that situation, when you have a target at hand, you are the hardest working person. But other than that, you are pretty laid back. Don't wait for an opportunity, create one. Literally choose happiness. You are a person who is a very happy person, very happy, very kind. Pick a smile. You are a person who is very, I'm seeing you are somebody who has a very happy, even when things are not going your way, you still, like, you maintain your charm. Take a ride to refresh your mind. A lot of you could be into running and biking. It came already, right? Wow. And also, I'm seeing exercise. Also, I'm seeing some of you tend to travel very frequently, solo traveling, short distance traveling, frequent short distance travels. Those things I can see. Right, happiness. Wow, happiness. Like, happiness is constant. No matter what life throws at you, the first thing people notice about you is this is a very happy person. You have a very happy disposition about you. That is the first thing that people notice about you. That, you know what, life can become difficult, but this person, they have a very good attitude. Adaptable, yes. Exactly, you can adapt to any situation and circumstances. You know that life, come what may, I'll have to adapt, and that is something that has helped you. It's not that life has been a bed of roses for you, but the way in which, cockroaches, it's not a bad example. It's just like cockroaches can survive, scorpions can survive a lot of extreme situations because they can adapt. You are like that. Like, you are like a person who can adapt under any circumstances. That's what people say. Very adjustable, very determined. You do not give up easily. If you have a target at hand, you do not need others to tell you what you need to do with your life, especially when there is a target at hand. You're a very intelligent person, very intelligent doer kind of a person. You are a doer. You know what is the right thing for you to do. You are a doer. You dream big. You are a dreamer. When you dream something, you do it. That is the kind of person you are. You are a dreamer. When you dream about something, when you have a target, you just get up and work. you know what people notice is a very fun loving, dynamic, social butterfly, flamboyant on the surface, very chilled, chat kind of a person, but the moment they have something that they want to do, they have a target, something that they want to talk about, like you're one of those people who will probably not like interact much when people are talking about things that doesn't interest you. But moment something comes up, maybe say cricket, and you want to talk about, or maybe politics, you jump right in. That's what I'm hearing. The boar and pumpkin confidence. You are a very confident person, very confident, very self reliant, very driven, very focused. Someone who was very, you know exactly what the right thing for you to do is. It's okay to cry. Three of Swords. You know what? You are a person who is very transparent, somebody who does not feel too vulnerable to show their emotions off in public. You can cry in public, you can show your anger, or like, you know, everything. Like you can show your emotions very honestly in public. You are a very honest, very courageous person, very transparent. You get what you see with you, people understand. A very transparent person. Wake up, what is it that you truly want? Literally indecision. You are a person who is very indecisive in a way. You are somebody who wants something. If you know, like there are times when you go through indecision, chilled, but you're basically indecisive. But when you have a target, you just run. You're also very non-judgmental, very very non-judgmental, non-picky. You could be having friends from across like different walks of life. You can make friends with anybody, from the person, the stranger walking down the street, to a model on a runway. You can literally make friends with anyone. You probably have, a lot of you have a natural gift of the gab. You can literally make friends with just anybody and everybody. You're a very strong person, strong, determined. It takes get strength to be soft. You are also, you know what, you're a very strong person who has the guts to stand up and speak their mind. At the same time, you are equally empathetic towards the have nots, towards the, you know, the cats. A lot of you could be having cats and dogs. Like it could be like you could be a parent to a cat baby or a dog baby. That like far babies can be there. Okay, cats are coming. A lot of like stray animals, domestication of stray animals. A lot of you probably could be like running an animal shelter, or maybe you just spend more time in nature with animals rather than human beings. That could be your quirk. Like having it all looks different. Like, a lot of you probably just, as I said, I give this example pretty often, that you know, there are some people including me who prefer to spend more time with animals, with prefer to spend their birthdays with the have nots of the society, with the animals, feeding them. So you could be one of those people as well. Knight of Cups. Romanticize the present moment every chance you get. I'm seeing you being seen as a person who tend to romanticize. You live every moment. You have lived every moment. Ambitious. You're very ambitious. Very, very ambitious. Very determined. When it comes to your goals, you're very ambitious. You're very picky about things that can excite you, by the way. You're also like, some people might call you stingy, some will call you as somebody, address you as somebody who has great financial acumen. Both can be seen. Yeah, a lot of you have literally turned your life upside down. See, you have, I'm seeing some up leveling, upgradation of your standards and level. I'm seeing blue moon, believe in the impossible. You know what, I'm seeing a lot of people might call you a little bit of a nutcase, because you are a person who can be having crazy ideas and try to implement those as well. Like maybe you want to do something which is like absolutely outlandish, and you might try to put in the effort and try and do those things. Maybe you're known for that. This is a completely nutcase. Have faith in your dreams. Like you have like like most people want to have a very simple, uncomplicated life, but you are not one of those. I'm saying you have an element of eccentricity about you, which people find a little intoxicating, a little dark as well. a little intimidating as well. Cheetah, get clear on your intention. Once you have clear intentions, you can stay focused and quickly achieve your goals. You become very goal oriented. Moment you know what your goal is, till then you are not that way. Your potential is endless. Literally, people realize the moment they see you that this is a person who has a lot of potential. This is a person who knows a lot about themselves. This is a person who is a very capable person. People literally think of you as someone who is very capable. Alright, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.